As they say, best thing to do is jump back on the horse, right? Well, welcome to another video, guys. So today heading back into the Budawangs, doing an overnighter up here, and yeah, looking forward to it. It's been a while and really been itching to get out here, so yeah, it's going to be a good night out, I think. So yeah, stick along, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Well, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Just going to stop for some water and we'll keep going. It's been a slog. Oh yeah. Some bird just flying. It's been some hard yakka coming up. Yep, that was a bird. Alrighty, no rest for this weird kid. Let's get going. Hey, made it. Phew. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels better. Alright, next thing is find that creek that's just down here. Let's top up our water. Wash all the salt off my face from the sweat. Well, I made it. It was a pretty much uphill the whole way. I think it went about 400 meters, a bit over, maybe just under 500 meters in elevation over that 6Ks. But the last half K was all downhill to get to here. So as you saw, got down to the creek, filled up with some water. So I'll have myself a nice hydrolyte, and I'm going to rest up for a bit and then get the tent set up. And just yeah, take it easy. Still got a few hours before the sun starts setting, so yeah, plenty of time to relax. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. Alrighty, so I'm setting this new tent up. This tent I got from the legends Lincoln and Annie, so shout out to those guys. But this is a Black Wolf Mantis 1UL, I think it's called, 1UL. Should have it written on here somewhere. But yeah, so it's essentially it's the Black Wolf's version of an ultralight tent for one person. So, downside to this tent, it's not standalone, so I do need to peg it in for it to work. So it's going to be tricky because this ground's pretty solid, so I'm going to have to find myself a nice stone and we'll knock it in. Voila! Yeah, pretty happy with it. I love this place. This is amazing. It's incredible. Such an ancient landscape. The stories this place could tell. Hey? Well, I'm going to finish my Hydrolite. I'm going to pop down and grab some more water since I've pretty much finished all of it, so I need some for dinner. So I'm going to head down, do that, and get some stuff ready for a fire. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. Well, that's a little bit annoying, but I only put half the fire out, so just topped it back up and threw it back in the coals. What's left of them. So we'll let it stand for a few minutes, around 10, maybe a few more, and we'll get this fire going again. Well, I really enjoyed that hike today, even though it was uphill for the whole nearly 6.7 kilometres. It was thoroughly enjoyable. The landscape that you got to see as you were walking was just incredible. Seeing all the cliffs, the vast open areas of just forest. It's just one of those ones that I've wanted to do for a long time, and I'm sure glad I did. But anyway, food's ready. I'm going to get stuck into that. I'm going to watch this fire die down and then probably hit the hay. So I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Come on. How good's that view? Wow. Alright, camp's all packed up, got some water, so now I'm ready to head out. So thanks very much for watching this video, guys. I'm going to end it here. It was a really good camp. I really enjoyed being out here again. It seems to be like it's been a long time since I've done an overnighter. Yeah, it's just good to be back out in the bush. Really enjoyed it. It was really needed. But anyway, I'm going to leave the video here. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and till the next video, catch ya.